my little grandchildren. I've got a story for you today, and it's called That's Not My Elephant. And Finley, I think we've read this together, and Liam, I think we've read this together. So this might be the first time for little Jack. That's not my elephant. And you can see the elephant's big ears at the side. That's not my elephant. Its trunk is too leathery. And I can feel it there. It is quite leathery. That's not my elephant. His feet are too squashy. Little Mouse is having a look. He's got squashy feet, hasn't he? Let me see. That's not my elephant. Its toenails are too bumpy. He's got very bumpy little toenails there, I can see. See the little mouse looking? That's not my elephant. His tail is too tufty. And I can feel its little furry bit. Look, Mouse is looking. It's too tufty. That's my elephant. Its tusks are so smooth. So little Mouse found his elephant in the end, didn't he? That was a short little story. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll read you again very soon. Bye-bye, my darlings. Bye-bye. I'll read soon.